two in the house. We thought we were only two. Until one evening, after going to bed, and I felt thirsty, and I needed to drink some water. So I decided to go to the kitchen. And the moment I got in the kitchen and I put the lights on, I realized we were not only two. There was wildlife in the house. That's when I realized there was wildlife in the house. Because the moment I put the lights on, I saw cockroaches, rats, spiders. I saw them dashing to dark corners. Why? The light had come. And the light showed and revealed what is there. That is what the word of God does. It reveals the cockroaches and the mice that are in our lives. And they ran away. When you receive the word, you don't need anybody to come and cast out demons out of you. The demons just disappear. The demons just, right now,